If Figma is throwing error 138, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a few simple fixes you can try to get back into your files fast. This error is often caused by a local app issue, a network restriction, or something blocking Figma from connecting properly. So we're going to test the browser version, clear the desktop cache, check your network security settings, and make sure port 443 is not blocked. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes. Let's get into it. First, the quickest test is to open Figma in your browser. Go to the Figma web app using Chrome or Firefox and sign in with the same account you use on the desktop app. If Figma works normally in the browser, that usually means the issue is isolated to the desktop app rather than your account or your internet connection. This is an important first step because it helps narrow down the cause before you spend time changing settings that might not be related. Now, if the browser version opens correctly, the next thing to do is clear the Figma desktop cache. On Mac or Windows, open Figma and go to Help, then Troubleshooting, and choose Reset Figma and Restart. This will clear out temporary data that may be corrupted and causing error 138. After that, let Figma relaunch and try signing in again. In many cases, a simple reset like this is enough to fix strange loading or connection errors. If you still see the problem, the next step is to check your network security tools. Turn off any active VPN, Proxy, or strict antivirus software temporarily, and then try Figma again. Some security tools can interfere with the connection between Figma and its servers, especially if they inspect secure traffic too aggressively. If disabling one of these tools fixes the issue, you'll know the problem is related to network filtering rather than Figma itself. In that case, you may need to create an exception for Figma in that software. Another very important check is port 443. Figma relies on secure HTTPS traffic, and if your network or IT firewall blocks port 443, Figma may fail to connect properly and show error 138. Make sure port 443 is allowed on your device, router, or workplace network. If you're on a company system, your IT admin may need to whitelist Figma domains or adjust firewall rules. Without access to that secure port, Figma can struggle to load files, sync changes, or complete sign-in requests. If you're still having trouble after these steps, go back and test each fix one at a time so you can identify exactly what solved it. Start with the browser test, then the desktop reset, then the network tools, and finally the firewall and port 443 check. That way you'll know whether the issue is with your app, your network, or your security settings. Hopefully one of these methods gets Figma working again for you. If it did, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help with another Figma error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.